Myself Mamta WANJRE, E&TC department from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. Today we see the topic 7 segment interface with 8051 microcontroller. The basic of 7 segment display having 10 pins. 8 pins are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H is the dot or decimal point of that. And that common terminal, either it may be used for common anode or common cathode. There are two types of 7 segment displays are there. A 7 segment display or 7 segment indicator is a form of electronic display device for displaying decimal numerals that is an alternative to the more complex dot matrix display. Segment control table for displaying characters 0 to 9. That is the table. If I want to display 0 number, for that A is logic high, B is logic high, C, D, E, F all are logic high, but G and H logic low will be there. Same thing for 1, H to C, H to D all are logic 0, C, B are logic high and A is logic 0. For 2 number display, A, B both are logic high, C is logic 0, D is logic high, E is logic high, F is logic 0, G is logic high, H is logic 0. Up to 9 we have to write down. That is the circuit diagram of 7 segment display interface with 8051 microcontroller. 7 segment display having 10 pins, 2 pins are common. That is common cathode displays there. A to H are connected to port 1.0 to 1.7. We are using total 8 pins from 8051 microcontroller. Pin number 40 of 8051 microcontroller VCC is connected to plus 5 volt supply and pin number 20 is connected to ground terminal. Let us see the programming part. Start with origin 00. Then start move R1, hash 10 means count for displaying number from 0 to 9. Total 10 numbers are there 0 to 9. So we have to write down R1, hash 10 is there. That value is loaded into R1 register. Move DPTR, hash 400H. That means DPTR pointing at starting address of lookup table. Lookup table is given below. Its starting address is 400H. That is loaded into DPTR. Then back clear accumulator. So for clearing means at starting accumulator and that value is 0. Move C A, at A plus DPTR. Load A with value present at location 400H. Move P1, A means send the data to 7 segment display. Whatever loaded into accumulator, that data is loaded into port P1. A called delay. Then increment DPTR. After that DJNZ means decrement jump not equal to 0. R1, back means decrement R1 by 1 and repeat until it becomes 0. Then short jump SJMP and that goes into loop start. And for lookup table, we have to write down the program origin 400H. That is the address of 400H for DPTR. Then DB 3FH for displaying 0 value. We have to convert that value into hexadecimal. That comes 3FH, 06H for 1 value. Like that 5BH, 4FH, 66H, 6DH. 7DH, 07H, 7FH, and for displaying 9 value 6FH is there. Delay, for delay subroutine we have to write down the program delay move R2 comma hash 08H, then up to move R4 comma hash 0FFH, up 1 move R3 comma hash 0FFH. Here decrement and jump not equal to 0, for that R3 comma here that repeat in that loop. Again DJNZ R4 comma up 1, DJNZ R2 comma up 2, and return and end. That is the program of 7 segment. Thank you.